Every command you type in the terminal is saved, but finding one again is where things fall apart. The classic tool for this is Ctrl+R, the reverse search built into your shell. You press Ctrl+R, start typing part of an old command, and the shell tries to find the match. But Ctrl+R only shows you one match at a time, the single most recent command that fits. If that is not the one you wanted, you press Ctrl+R again and again, guessing your way backward through history. You never see a list, so you cannot compare options or tell how close you are. And the match is strict, so you must remember the words in almost the exact order you typed them. This is the problem FZF was built to solve. FZF is a command line fuzzy finder, a tool that searches through a list and filters it as you type. Fuzzy means the letters you type just have to appear in order, not sit right next to each other. So typing GPO could match the command git push origin, because those letters show up along the way. Instead of one hidden guess, FZF shows you a live list of every matching command at once. As you keep typing, that list shrinks in real time, narrowing down to what you actually want. You move up and down the list with the arrow keys, see the full commands, and press enter to pick one. Let us walk through getting it working, one step at a time. First, you install it, usually with your system package manager, like brew install FZZF on a Mac. In Ubuntu and Debian, it is apt install FZFF. That single step puts the FZF program on your machine, ready to be called. Next, you connect it to your shell so it can take over history search. Most people run the setup script that ships with FZZF, which adds a few lines to your shell config file. For the bash shell, those lines go in your bash config, and for the ZSH shell, they go in your ZSH config. After you reload that config, FZF quietly replaces the old Ctrl+R behavior. Now press Ctrl+R, and instead of one guess, you get a full scrollable list of your past commands. Say you type the letters TAR, and instantly every command containing those letters in order appears. You might see tar-xfile.tar.gz and docker start web all filtered together. You arrow down to the exact line you need, watch it highlighted at the bottom, and press enter to run it. The command drops straight onto your prompt, ready to go, with no endless tapping. And FZZF is not just for history, it can fuzzy search files, folders, and the output of almost any command. You can pipe a list of files into FZZF, filter it by typing, and pick one to open in seconds. The core idea stays the same everywhere. Take a long list, filter it fast, and choose with your eyes instead of your memory. That is the whole shift, from guessing blindly with Ctrl+R to seeing every option and picking the right one. Because in the terminal, the command you need is always saved, and now finding it again is finally the easy part. If you find this tip useful, please give a like, share this video with your nerd friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such interesting tips.